In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom interactive maps with Webflow CMS. We'll walk through opening your project, reviewing the map integration, installing the app, and getting set up so your CMS items can power pins, pop-ups, and filters on an interactive map. Start by opening your Webflow project in the Designer. Once the canvas loads, use the search or the navigator to find the dedicated map page or component in your project. If your workspace highlights the relevant element for you, click the highlighted area to focus it. If a quick search bar appears, type your query to jump directly to the map demo or template section, then select the highlighted result to load that page. Open the page titled something like Create CMS-connected interactive maps with location pins, pop-ups, and filter in Webflow. If a pop-up or onboarding panel appears, close it so you can see the page clearly. If you need to, click back into that same page or section to bring its details into view, and then choose the option to open the full listing for the map integration. This takes you to the app's marketplace page. On the app page, start with the description. This gives you a clear overview of features you'll use, like pulling locations from a CMS collection, rendering pins, and showing pop-ups with dynamic content. Next, check permissions. This is important. Confirm exactly what the app can access and modify in your site, so you're comfortable with how it integrates. When you're ready, click Install on site. Select the correct project if prompted, and proceed. You'll be directed to the provider's site to complete setup. Click through to the registration page, place your cursor in the email address field, and enter the email you want associated with the integration. Then click into the password field and create a strong, unique password you'll remember. After installation, the app will guide you inside Webflow to connect your collection fields to the map. For best results, prepare a CMS collection with clean, consistent location data, either latitude and longitude or reliable addresses. The integration can geocode. Include fields for the item name and any details you want to show in pop-ups, like descriptions, categories, or links. Keep labels short and meaningful, and plan your filters around fields such as category or region so users can quickly find what they need. Before publishing, preview your site and test the map. Zoom, pan, open pop-ups, and try the filters. If pins aren't where you expect, double-check your location fields. Once everything looks good, publish and you're